Page 49, Blues in E. On page 48, they're introducing you to the key of E major. E major has 4 sharps. We're adding another sharp. Oh, goody. Well, the F sharp is always the first, and the C sharp is always the second, and the G sharp, you had that one, that's always the third. Now we're adding a D sharp to it, and the D sharp is always the fourth in the key signature. We have everything except the A sharp. Lots of block keys. Actually, I find E major a rather easy, a comfortable key to play in. Just the way the black keys and the white keys lay out. So now you need to go to my scale video on E major and do it 1 octave up and down. Do everything I explained in the scale video. The wrist, the accents, the trill exercise, the whole bit. In the middle of the page, they talk about the primary chords. Well, here we go again. Primary chords, the 1, the 4, and the 5, 7. So just figure them out. Here's a 1. Let's go here. We're in E major. Okay, and the 1 chord, it's an E chord. There's a G sharp in E major now. And then the 4 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, is here. We usually like the E on the bottom, so we go here. So it's like from the 1 chord, I went down here, to the 4 chord. Does this look familiar? We've been through this in the other keys. And then the 5, 7 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a D sharp and an F sharp here. So they're in the key sign. Then we just add the 7th. And that's the 7th. Now we like to have the D sharp on the bottom, so we'll put the E on top. Just transpose. And we don't need all the notes, so we leave out the F sharp. We got that. So again, down here, here. So we got them. We got the 1 chord, the 4 chord, 5, 7 chord. Just be familiar with them. You get them in blues and E for the left hand, but you need to be doing these in both hands. They have a warm-up for you at the top of the page 49. I don't like warm-ups. You can do that on your own. A bunch of 8th notes. I want to talk about the blues. It's just a couple lines long. Common time or 4/4 time. We're in the key of E major, of course. Let's take it 1 hand at a time. Make sure we got these notes. The right hand, you're here. It's just a broken E chord. And 3rd measure is E natural. That's pretty much it. The left hand is the primary chords. You got 2 measures of 1 chord, 2 measures of 4 chord, 2 measures of 1 chord, and then 4, and a 5, 7. Put the hands together. I'm going kind of fast, but you take it to here. Just a broken 1 chord. Then we go here. Don't forget the G natural. So you go through and put the hands together at whatever speed you choose. Go slow first and then speed it up. I don't care. As far as articulation goes, there isn't any. Just connect it all. Both hands. You have rests there in the 2nd line. Make sure you lift up for the rest. So the first ending, it's here, 2, 3, rest. They both come up on beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you repeat back to the beginning. That's how this works, you know. And then the 2nd ending is just half note. 1, 2, 3. It comes up on beat 3. As far as the dynamics go, they don't give you much. Just a forte at the beginning. Just loud, not really loud. Keep the chords down to about a moderately soft. You don't have to play it that fast. It says fast, but it's up to you. Everybody's a little different. What is your fast? If this is your fast, close enough. It's got to be accurate, so make it accurate. I'd like to play it with you slowly, and let's double check the notes. Rhythm's not a problem, they're quarter notes for the most part. So I'll give us 4 counts, so let's play it together slowly. You should be playing the same notes I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat. Second ending. 1, 2, rest, rest.